Hey guys, I am making a science experiment dessert today. You know how I like my little science experiments. I've got 4 eggs. I've taken your advice and I'm actually cracking them into a bowl first. I don't know what purpose that serves. You let me know, but apparently everybody is upset if I don't. So 4 eggs go into a bowl. And then we're going to be adding 1.5 cups of just regular granulated sugar. This is going to be an interesting recipe, guys, because I'm not using any store-bought or pre-packaged ingredients. I know it's a shocker, but here is 1 cup. And a half. To that, we're going to be adding just some, look, amazing, right? I'm actually using flour instead of like a cake mix. But we're going to be using 1/2 cup of just regular flour. That goes right in there. I've got 1/4 cup of melted butter here and some vanilla. I'll bring it down here for a second because we're going to be adding an entire tablespoon. Just want to double check that recipe. Yeah, it's not a teaspoon, it's a full tablespoon of vanilla. Goes right into the butter. Give this a good mix. Pour that into our bowl as well. I've got some Himalayan pink salt here. Just a couple of turns. Like 1/2 teaspoon's worth right there. Our second to last ingredient is whole milk. We're going to need 2 whole cups of this. That's 1. And 2. Give this a good mix. Added. I'm going to add our final ingredient, which is a 14-ounce bag of sweetened shredded coconut. Whole thing right in there. You guys like coconut? I love coconut. My mom was not a fan. So this, I know this looks super soupy, but I've got a 9-inch pie pan here. Don't you worry, I've already greased it. Use the spray, and then you're gonna take this soupy filling and just dump the whole thing right into the pie tin. See, it's like the perfect amount. And then once that, it's gonna be, I have to be super careful taking this to the oven. But this is gonna go in a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. And then we're gonna give it a taste test. Look, it's got a little crack on the top. I think it's like a K shape. What's the shape that you see? I'm gonna go ahead and get some extra creamy whipped topping. And go. Because what goes well with coconut? Maraschino cherries. So I picked out like 8 really nice ones. Go ahead and give this. Go ahead and put a whole slice right there. Give this a taste. If you love coconut and you love custard, this is like a 2-in-1 dessert. You're gonna love it. You definitely need to give this a shot.